Alright guys, let me show you how you can edit this template. So once you download the project file, you extract it, and after you extract it, you should see this folder. You have to locate this file inside Davinci Resolve. So just open up your Davinci Resolve and in the project manager window, right click in the empty space and click on restore project archive, and you find this folder called epicfireintro.dra. Select that folder and click on open, and you can call it whatever you want. Let's call it copy of epic intro and click on OK. And once it loads up, you should see it right in the project manager window. Just double click on it and it should open up inside Davinci Resolve. The editing is pretty simple. All you have to do is just go to this logo placeholder timeline. If that is not visible, you have this in the media pool, you have this logo placeholder timeline. You just double click on it to open it up. If that doesn't open, right click on it and click on open in timeline. And by the way, you can also get these tabbed timelines. You can click on this icon and just click on the very first option that says a stacked timeline. Right inside the logo placeholder, you just drag and drop your logo. So I'm going to find a logo here and I'm going to drag that into Resolve like so. And if I double click on it, this is my logo, and I'm going to just drag it and put it under this layer called solid color. And that is because we have to enable this layer, and you should see this little box, the green colored box, and you have to make sure that your logo fits within this box. So I'm going to click on my logo, and then in the zoom section, I'm going to just zoom it out so that it is within this box right over here. And you can then hide this video track which is at the top, and once you do that, then you can just go to your version 1, just click on that, and you should see your logo inside your final animation. And you have to render this version 1 comp, so you can just go to the deliver tab and render out your animation over here. Right now, instead of a logo, you can also do a text as well. So if I just get rid of the logo here, and I'm gonna drag in this simple text over here, and as you can see, it's within this green box, the green area, the safe area. Now I need to make sure that this video track is disabled. If I leave this enabled, then if you go back to your main animation, you will actually see this title over there, and you can currently see the logo, and that is because of this fusion case. So if I just go to fusion, let me just delete the render cache, click on delete, it should render from the beginning. So let's check that out, and you can see that we have that green box. So just make sure that you hide this, and then in the final result you will not have that effect. Alright, then you can also change the color of the fire over here. So you just have to go to the fusion tab, and you just zoom into your node tree over here, and you should see this change fire color node. So just select that, and on the right side you have these color controls. You can just pick any color for the fire, and if you go back to your edit page, you should see it updated in the main animation. So yeah, that is how easy it is to edit this template. I hope this template will help you in your upcoming projects. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.